Hi, in this guide we will see all the Koji build job details. A job overview, how to customize it, and how can be your user experience. A Koji build is triggered by a commit in a dist branch, where a packit configuration file exists with an entry for the Koji build job. Not all commits start a Koji build. Only those with a spec file change. By default, the service runs a Koji build only for the packit, merge, pull requests, or commits. But you can change this behavior adding to your packit configuration the allowed pull request authors or the allowed committers keys. By default, packit runs production builds, but you can change this behavior setting the scratch key. The Koji build status can be seen using the Koji service dashboard. If something happens during this process, packit will create an issue, but you need to set the issue repository key. You can retrigger the Koji build, commenting the dist pull request or the created issue, but you have to be a packager.